The Redmi Note 15 sets a new benchmark for what users can expect from a mid-range smartphone, delivering a premium experience that rivals even flagship devices. At the heart of the device is a gorgeous 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering ultra-smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and rich, vibrant colors that make everything from video streaming to mobile gaming more immersive than ever. Whether you're watching HDR content or browsing social media, the display offers exceptional clarity and brightness, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Powering the Redmi Note 15 is the highly capable Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, a cutting-edge chipset built to handle intensive multitasking, high-end gaming, and AI-driven tasks with remarkable speed and efficiency. It ensures that the user experience remains seamless, lag-free, and responsive, no matter how demanding the application. Battery life is another standout feature of the Redmi Note 15. With an enormous 7,500 mAh battery, the phone easily lasts through even the most demanding days of use, whether that means extended gaming sessions, video calls, or all-day social media browsing. Complementing the massive battery is Xiaomi's ultra-fast 120W charging technology, which can take the phone from near empty to full in a matter of minutes, virtually eliminating charging anxiety and keeping you powered on the go. Photography is taken to an entirely new level with the Redmi Note 15's groundbreaking 250MP rear camera. This industry-leading sensor captures stunning detail, allowing for sharp, true-to-life images even when heavily cropped or zoomed in. Whether you're shooting in low light, bright sunlight, or challenging conditions, the camera's advanced imaging algorithms and large sensor size help produce outstanding results. For content creators, mobile photographers, and everyday users alike, the Redmi Note 15 offers a versatile and powerful photography experience that is unmatched in its class. Altogether, the Redmi Note 15 is more than just a phone. It's a complete multimedia and productivity companion, designed for users who want high-end features without the premium price tag. With its dazzling display, flagship-grade processor, enormous battery, record-breaking camera, and ultra-fast charging, it pushes the boundaries of what a mid-range device can offer and firmly establishes itself as one of the most exciting smartphones on the market.